guys to come in. So did you all bring money? No.
This trial, because he says yes. He thinks he's going to get his money until he wants to go home. Starting the trial the day before. Just in case. What's that?
I'll give you some advance warning. I'm just putting myself in the saddle.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure you didn't fall off. Kim was shot. So she was right.
But I think he is.
Stay safe. So this is I don't know what I think. Yeah, I don't think
You got it. Good morning, everybody. This is 15-70-34. This is sentencing for people in the state of Michigan versus Ms. Pappas. Your appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Laura Weingarten on behalf of the people.
Okay. Good morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cassar on behalf of Kimberly Pappas.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pat O'Garick on behalf of Kimberly Pappas.
Morning to all. Have you all had a chance to review the pre-sentence report that was prepared for today's sentence?
Yes, Your Honor.
We reviewed the sentencing, the pre-sentence report. Matter of fact, I spent Saturday morning with Kimberly. We've gone through the thing in very, very close detail. The only correction that I would make is something that both the prosecutor and I found. That's his scoring, the guidelines. OB 13, we agree, should not be scored.
Correct. It should be 0.
Okay, I'll make that correction. Did you find any inaccuracies in the pre-sentence report itself? Somewhere?
No, Your Honor. If I'm true and accurate.
People wish to place anything on the record before we sentence?
Yes, Your Honor. The defendant's father would like to speak. He's the complainant as the grandfather of the baby. May I call him up?
Would you please? Morning, young man. Can you state your name, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is James Michael Pappas, Kimberly's father.
Okay. Mr. Pappas, the floor is yours, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm directing this mainly to you and to my daughter, Kimberly. Kimberly, we love you very much. Both your mother and I. And of course, your brother and your sister. And I know that that will continue. There's no end in that. That's an unconditional love. For whatever you may have or have not done, we love you and we forgive you. We will support you with as many visits as we can in our studies ahead. With great love, through your upcoming time. Your family and friends will be there for you when you return. You have a wonderful home. There's a space there for you. Your room will be there for you. And we look forward to supporting you on the time ahead that you have to serve, as well as to get your feet on the ground when you come back home. We look forward to that. Your mother and I, we encourage you to take care of yourself. Be safe. And do that physical exercise. I'm going to be doing it too. As well as we look forward to our first visit when I
No, but the people ask that you follow the sentence agreement.
Briefly. Thank you. I know the last 6 months I've gotten to know Ms. Pappas, and she's a quiet young lady. She has never, ever been in trouble in her entire life. This is clearly what we consider aberrant behavior. We do have a sentence agreement in place. We're asking the court to go along with that. I'm asking the court to consider making a recommendation to the Department of Corrections for psychiatric help for her. I am convinced that there's issues, there's mental health issues. While the Forensic Center seems to have disagreed with me, I think that me spending the time and Patrick spending the time with her as much as we have, we realize that there's a disconnect there. There's clearly a disconnect. This is one of those situations where she is in need of help, and she's not one to ask for it. So we're asking for it on her behalf. I know that you're limited as to what you can do, Your Honor, but I'm asking you to make that recommendation. Thank you, Judge.
Young lady, is there anything that you want to say today before I impose sentence to your father, to...
Yeah. I just want to thank my parents and my family for all their love and support. And the pain and grief and regret that I have about this really can't be put into words. It's going to be with me for the rest of my life. But I just want to say that I'm sorry, and I wish I would have made the right choices that would have stopped all this. I mean, you wouldn't have let me here.
Well, there was a negotiated sentence between your lawyers and the Wayne County prosecutor. And that negotiated sentence was a minimum of 9 years and a maximum of 20 years in a state prison for Southern Michigan. I see here you served 185 days while working this particular day, so I'll give you that credit as to the 9 years that you've served. And the agreement says that count 2 and count 3 will be dismissed today.
Correct, Your Honor. We will move to dismiss.
Hearing no objection, I'll dismiss counts 2 and 3, and that'll be the sentence of the court, who will mark her file medical, and of course, you know, the orientation process involves psychiatric evaluation as well as physical evaluation, so that'll be done. You don't have an absolute right, Ms. Pappas, to appeal this conviction, but you can appeal by leave. If that's your desire and you can't afford a lawyer, that form needs to be returned within 21 days from today's date. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Concludes
Thank you, Your Honor.
sentencing, and thank you.
Your Honor, thank you for the time.